Here at UWSP, off-campus housing has become a popular topic for students looking to get out of the dorms. Today we take a look at one of our own students and his view on what it takes to find the right off-campus housing situation.
My name is Dimitri and I'm a sophomore.
When asked about what is the most difficult part in finding the right place, Dimitri had this to say.
Finding a good location at a cheap price and also finding the right roommates.
According to him, some of the advantages to living off-campus included
some of the advantages that I like personally, the fact that you can go off campus and you can find good housing, good locations and stuff like that. Also the good part is you can save a lot of money because the dorms is pretty expensive to live there. So
he gave students some helpful tips when choosing where they want to live.
They need to know how often the landlord keeps up with the place. They need to know bus routes. They need to know also just all the bills and how it adds up and stuff like that, because some people go into there only asking about the rent, but what about the electric, what about the water, what's included, what's not included. Some of those things you need to know when you're trying to find a house.
Dimitri also told us about some of the necessities he will be looking for when choosing a place.
Looking for the best price in the best area, and also, like I said, transportation, and looking to find a landlord who actually takes care of the home, make sure the carpet is clean regularly, and making sure that, you know, everything's just up to date. You know, the bug sprays. I hate bugs, so that's something that I really want, you know, to make sure that everything is right.
Though finding off-campus housing can be difficult, to some UWSP students, living off-campus can be advantageous to their student lifestyle. For UWSP Student News, this is Samuel Grimm signing off.